one question by one parent asking, can we avoid having arguments with children?
Yeah, there is very much possible. बच्चों का इंडिविजुएशन होता है 11वें साल से शुरू, और जैसे 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 होता है तो उनका इंडिविजुअल ईगो बढ़ रहा है, ईगो बन रहा है, डेवलप हो रहा है, उनका इंटेलिजेंस डेवलप हो रहा है। वो आपको देख करके अब क्वेश्चन करने लगते हैं। जो भी आप उनके सामने प्रेजेंट करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं कि वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे as absolutely right or something. They may start seeing faults within you. The children start seeing faults in you and understand that you are wrong, especially when they are going beyond 11, 12, 13, 14. That's the age when they start saying, "Acha, always my parent may not be right." Previously, the children treat their parents almost like God, that they are perfect, correct? लेकिन हमें बताना होता है अपने बच्चों को कि बेटा मैं परफेक्ट नहीं हूँ, लेकिन नहीं, हमसे भी गलती हो सकती है, लेकिन the culture at home should be that it is not about I am perfect or you are perfect, I am right or you are right. The culture is we are trying to serve. That type of culture where the humility is there in the parents to accept their own mistakes, and they don't present themselves as the perfect human beings, because there is nobody perfect. There is no perfect child, there is no perfect parent, correct? So therefore everybody makes mistakes. If there is a culture of I am a servant, I want to serve as a parent, not that I want to control as a parent, then there is humility into picture. If the child point out a mistake in the parent instead of saying that अरे तू बच्चा तू मुझे क्या बोलेगा, instead of having an argument on that, if parent is humble enough to see if he or she is wrong, they accept it. They say, yeah, oh yeah, actually you're right, thank you for actually telling me this, I am very happy that you are able to use your intelligence nicely. At the same time, we can teach them the value system. How to point out a mistake also can be presented by your own behavior. In the culture where the parents are showing them as subordinate to another senior, correct? When they are showing themselves as subordinate to, let's say, their grandparents, let us say they have some person whom they take inspiration, whom they also submit themselves to. So the parents are not showing themselves as independent, perfect personalities. When this culture is there at home, I don't see there is a possibility of argument. The argument comes when you say to the child, you're always wrong. And when the child says something, then the whole problem is that, no, I am right only. I am a father. I am a mother. I have to be right. This leads to a lot of argument. Another things which lead to argument is when we are trying to push a child against his wish immediately at that moment. Because the child is growing his intelligence. Of course, child is not having perfect intelligence. They will do lots of mistakes. They will do hundreds of mistakes. So therefore, when we are tolerant towards the mistakes of the child, one of the two parties have to become mature. Either the child should become mature or the parent should become mature. So if the parent has got the maturity to understand that small mistakes of the children are not to be made big, are not to be unnecessarily pointed out, especially in a way which can make him or her feel ashamed, then the arguments can be avoided. Two important things you need to do to avoid arguments. Don't show or portray yourself as a perfect person. Have a culture of being a servant at home, not master, that I am the independent master. Have the culture of showing humility. Have the culture of showing subordination to somebody else. When this kind of culture is there, the child also learns to subordinate to the parents. Not by the speaking of parents, but by behavior of the parents. The second is that we have to be tolerant towards the small mistakes of the child. One of the two has to become mature, either the child or the parent. Then we want to teach the parent, because children we cannot expect they will become mature without the parent becoming mature. This is the way to avoid arguments.